And Stormwatch 12 Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman is tracking what appears to be summer's first arrival for this year.
Yeah, this is going to be some of the warmest weather yet this season that arrives in the days ahead. Take a look at the setup that we have for the Pacific Northwest. A pretty strong ridge of high pressure just offshore of Washington State, but we're in a bit of a squeeze play. We got an area of low pressure bringing some severe weather to parts of the Midwest, and there is a bit of a trough that kind of lingers back into Montana. You can see some showers as well, and that squeeze play between these two systems is what's creating those breezy and gusty winds we saw today. Some gusty winds along the coast, gusts up over 40 miles per hour. Breezes continue along the coast and even in the Klamath Basin, but we'll see most valley winds lighten up quite a bit for tonight. Still some gusts, though, up to 28 miles per hour in Crescent City, 26 miles per hour in Klamath Falls. Because of the wind and the milder weather that's moving on in, it's definitely not as cold as what we were looking at just 24 hours ago. Right now, 57 in Medford and Grants Pass. It's 50 in Klamath Falls, and that offshore wind, that Checo effect, keeping Brookings in the 60s. And with that continuing for tomorrow, even getting a bit stronger, look at these temperatures into the 70s for Port Orford and Gold Beach, but we'll have a good shot at getting into the 80s tomorrow in Brookings with plenty of sunshine, blustery northeast winds. Northern California, sunny, breezy, and warmer, up to 78 in Weed and Wairika. Warmer as you get towards Happy Camp and Somes Bar into the 80s, and potentially even 92 for a high in Somes Bar. Definitely warming up. In the Basin, much milder, breezy, lots of sun, up to 71 in Chiloquin, 67 in Lakeview and Paisley, and up to 72 degrees in Klamath Falls. Breezy up in the mountains, temperatures warming into the 70s for Butte Falls and Prospect, 65 for Lake of the Woods. And then in the Rogue Valley, still a bit chilly in the morning, but temperatures really climb. We'll get into the 80s tomorrow in Grants Pass, Medford, Rogue River as well, up to 82 in Shady Cove. Those temperatures steadily trending up into the upper 60s by the noon hour, so looks great for maybe lunch outdoors tomorrow. It's going to feel nice with all that sunshine. We'll see a lot of sun through your Thursday. Temperatures continue to warm up for inland areas as we head into Friday. Still going to be warm along the coast, but that Checo effect is going to break down, and notice the marine layer moving in as we head into Saturday. So we will see a cool down into the weekend for the coast, mostly sunny for inland areas on Saturday, and it's still going to be quite warm once you get away from the coast. There's that cool down for coastal communities as we head into the weekend, but pretty beautiful weather on tap for the next couple of days. Winds will be lighter on Friday, and then the Rogue Valley highs up around 90 Friday and Saturday. Still pretty warm on Mother's Day. We'll see a little bit of a cooling trend for the region. We're going to need to keep an eye, though, on Siskiyou County and the east side for a few isolated showers and thunderstorms. Anywhere in the green shaded area will have that potential, but it's definitely not going to be a washout, and the showers and storms should be fairly few and far between. Your 7-day forecast looking like this. So pretty warm tomorrow for the coast, some of the warmest weather, and then a bit cooler for Mother's Day weekend, but it will be dry. Northern California, temperatures trending up through the rest of the week. A slight chance of a shower or storm on Sunday. We'll also have that threat for a shower or storm in the Basin on Mother's Day, but pretty warm, highs pushing 80 both Saturday and Sunday. Up in the mountains, temperatures trending up, lots of sunshine the next couple of days, and it stays fairly warm into next week as well. For the Rogue Valley, our first taste of summer with highs up around 90 Friday and Saturday, and looking beautiful for all your Mother's Day plans on Sunday, mostly sunny and highs getting into the mid 80s.